Top RF and microwave stories this week, December 11th to December 15th, 2023. Signal Hound previews new 4-channel phase coherent receiver at AOC 2023. Epic Solutions unveils groundbreaking AI-powered SDR platforms for edge applications. Murata enables better Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 antenna design with cutting-edge parasitic element coupling device. Johansen Technology offers chip antenna design assistance, tuning, and characterization services. Southeast Asian Intelligence elevates border security with CRFS's RFI ecosystem. RF Optic wins a large order from a major European telco for its RFOF 4 GHz bidirectional subsystems. Mercury Systems introduces new flight testing simulator for air-to-ground synthetic aperture radar systems. Inflection collaborates with L3Harris to develop and deploy new quantum RF sensing technology solutions. JQL Technologies acquires microwave antenna assets from Radio Frequency Systems. Charter Engineering offers RF electromechanical switches for defense/military applications. Singtel collaborates with Ericsson and Mediatek to complete its first 5G RedCap trial in Singapore. Gorilla RF reports record shipments in November 2023, expects to close 2024 above $21 million. Everything RF, keeping you up to date with the RF and microwave industry.